Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be making baked milk cheese pudding. This is a very simple recipe with only 4 ingredients. Basically milk, egg, sugar, and a little cornstarch. Cheese is optional. Let's get it started. Pour 500 ml of milk into a saucepan, then add 50 grams of cornstarch. You may use flour instead. 20 grams of sugar, 2 egg yolks. Stir with hand mixture. Sieve the batter. Then put it back to the saucepan. Turn on a medium heat to cook the batter. Continually stir to avoid the batter stick to the bottom. You can feel the batter becomes thicker and thicker. Now get a big bowl. Apply a thin layer of cooking oil on the bottom. Pour in the batter. Smooth the surface with a spatula. Then put it back to refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Now take it out and cut it into 8 pieces evenly. Make sure to clean the knife after every single cut. Transfer the pudding to a baking pan. Brush the egg wash on the top and the sides. Top with a pinch of cheese. You can use any cheese as you like. Preheat the oven to 175 Celsius degrees or 350 Fahrenheit degrees. Bake the pudding about 15 minutes. This is how it looks after baking. A little bit crispy along the sides, but very soft and smooth inside. If you like sweet, you can put more sugar. This is a super easy dessert you will never fail. Try it and leave me a comment below. Don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.